Hey, we're back on the Porsche. I forgot to mention. Okay, explain the hood again.
So this is typically a hydraulic lift tailgate that
Okay.
lifts when it reaches 65 miles an hour to
Oh.
increase air.
Oh yeah. Okay.
But because of the height of the throttle body and the intake plenum, I had to cut most of it out to fit this so that it would close. So I had to remove the center latch, which is normally in the center, and relocate it to the corner so that the trunk would latch.
I see. And it go ahead.
And the height of this is by design. So this is 2.5 inches high because this was the best height to capture the most air.
Yeah, I see. It's
cool
kind
the engine.
of half up.
Yeah. And if you close it, you'll see the throttle body. You can still see the throttle body.
Oh yeah.
Because of the height. Is that done? You want to see more?
No, well, unless you got some more explaining to do.
Well, the exhaust is another tidbit that if you're a Porsche person, you'll only know. I angled the exhaust 30 degrees because that's the way the exhaust was angled on the old 930 turbos.
Okay.
The Porsche 911 930s. So normally they should be straight. But I wanted to pay homage to the old Porsche 930s.
Oh, yeah.
So I angled them at 30 degrees. So no other Porsche is going to have that angled exhaust.
I see. Okay.
How long did it take you?
So from start to begin to end, when I purchased the car, my original intent was to rebuild the motor that was in it because the doctor had given up on her. And I said that was a shame, so I wanted to bring her back to life. But the cost to rebuild the Porsche engine would have been about $20,000 if I did it myself. You know, because I would have probably gone overboard. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to do a little something different. But I didn't think I was going to put a Chevy engine. I thought I was going to put a different Porsche engine in it. My buddy calls me from New York and says, hey, I'm moving to Florida, right? And I know you can't tell from my southern accent that I'm from up north. So my buddy calls me and I'm like, oh, what are you doing with your projects? He was building a Camaro that he was going to put an LS motor in. And he's like, I got rid of my project, but I still have the motor. You know anybody that needs it? I'm like, well, what do you have? He goes, oh, I have a 2002 Z06 LS1. And then the light bulb went off.
I'll be darned. Yeah.
And that was it. That started the dream. I started putting pen to paper, and this came out. This came of it.
Oh my God bless you.
Well, it's absolutely beautiful.
Something else.
All right, thanks for watching, folks.